Hi, I'm new here, and I'm not sure how to engage in small talk. Can you help me?
Of course. Small talk is essential for building relationships and connecting with people. The first step is to understand its importance.
Why is small talk so important?
Small talk is an icebreaker that helps people feel more comfortable in new environments and can lead to more meaningful conversations and relationships. It's also a great way to network and make new friends.
Okay, that makes sense. But how do I start a conversation?
You can start with universal small talk topics, such as the weather, hobbies, sports, or current events. It's also important to ask open-ended questions and actively listen to the responses.
What about politeness and cultural nuances?
Yes, that's important too. You should use appropriate greetings, understand body language, and recognize cultural sensitivities to ensure conversations flow naturally and respectfully.
What if I have language barriers?
That's a common challenge for non-native English speakers. To overcome it, you can expand your vocabulary, learn common idiomatic expressions, and practice pronunciation to enhance fluency.
I see. Can you show me some examples?
Sure. Let's role-play some small talk scenarios, such as introducing yourself, asking about someone's weekend, or talking about your favorite hobby.
Thanks, that was helpful.
You're welcome. Remember, small talk takes practice, but with these tips, you'll be able to engage in meaningful conversations and build lasting relationships.